Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whatever country you are watching this video from. It's me Gabriel and this is your 23rd tutorial on HTML. In this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to add a comment box. You all know what a comment box is. A comment box is in a website where a box where people that view the website can write what they like in the website or what they dislike all the way. So I'm going to be teaching on how to do that. First, we have to add the form action, which I told you before. The form action. Put that down. Action. After that, the method. And after that, we write what we call the text area. That text area also has a closing tag. Text area. You can see the closing tag. And after that, I'll add what we call the calls, which is columns and rows. We have what we call columns and rows in comment box. Columns is telling how large it will be. It's just like the width and height, but this is columns and rows. But we are going to be inserting numbers in these two quotes. So I'm just going to be inserting 50. After that, I told you the rows. Let me say 30. Okay. I will save no, I forgot something, which is something like this, which is the comment, and I will save again. I'll hit my save button. I will load my page. You can see the box. You can see the box for the comments. You can see how the box. You see the comments here. You see the box. What I can even enlarge or resize this box from the web browser. Look at it. You can see it. Because I'll put it to any size I want. You can see the comments here. I can just say this should be page 3, and I'll add the comments. I will hit my save button again. I'll refresh my page. You can see it. You can see very well. Now because just inside this, it's just like we don't call it comment box, but we call it multiple line text box because it's made up of many text boxes that form one. So I can just write anything which is code house or code factory. And we're going to do the submit button, so we're just gonna hit the input type, submit, value, submit. Okay, I'll remove that. Okay, let's hit our save button again to refresh our page. You can see the reason why it's in this position because I didn't add the break, the single line break, which I will add it. I'll save the. You can see it now. It's kind of style which will do this. So like this is okay. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.